Okay, gonna see if this is any good. I'm gonna try and do Yoda. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do three little birds in the style of Yoda. Okay. There it goes. Probably shit. I don't care. Still going out on YouTube.
I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little Jedi sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of limited purity. They're saying, this is my message to the Empire. Singing, no worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the Empire sun. No Death Star in the sky, we had won. We were sinking, but Luke liked his sister, and we were, oh no, look, you can't go down. We're singing, don't worry about nothing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, no, don't worry now, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright, be alright, be alright, be alright. Your faith in your thinking is your weakness.